Hello and welcome to Art and Animation's Visual Effects course with Adobe Animate. This course is designed to facilitate learning visual effects animation in 2D for design students as well as professionals from related fields like web design, game art, e-learning and of course TV animation. Anyone taking the course finds it as easy as pie and certainly takes away some new skills that usually prove to be extremely useful in their line of work if they're professionals and help build a strong career path if they're young students. All the effects covered in this course are done using a blend of some tricks and techniques from traditional animation like animation principles, spacing and timing, blended with some strong tools from 2D computer animation.